Let's spend 3 minutes with SQUORE to evaluate the quality of a project, assign action items to steer it back in the right direction, and communicate your decisions to the rest of your team. Because SQUORE is role-based, you only see the information that is useful to you when you log in with your personal details. Logging in as a project manager, you can choose to view your dashboard, create and manage projects, or adjust access rights for your team. Today, let's see what information the dashboard can give you about your ongoing projects. This is your product portfolio. This is where SQUORE tells you how the projects you're currently managing are doing. It looks like the overall quality of the Earth project is on a downward trend. Expanding the tree shows you that version 5 scored D, down from C in previous versions. Clicking the version name updates the dashboard with the latest global rating achieved for this version. You can also review other high-end performance indicators about the project's technical depth, complexity, or maintainability, as well as some trends and other compliance statistics. Let's click on the artifact tree to understand what caused the decline in quality. You can filter by rating to directly get to the worst scored component, but you can already see the function that is dragging the score down. Clicking the artifact in the tree explains why the overall scorecard rates at F for this function. It has grown in size and complexity and violates more programming rules than before. The control graph shows you how complex the function is. If you compare it to the one generated for the previous version, the change is pretty clear. SQUORE has generated automatic defect reports based on the decision model that you configured for your projects. They reflect the violations detected for the function you just looked at. As you can see, they're all new in version 5. If you click one of them, you will see all the reasons why the defect was raised, including the faulty line of code. Given the priorities and the cost associated with fixing the bug now, you will mark this as a must fix for your project. Let's look at what other defect reports exist in your project. You can now select the ones that need to be addressed and the ones that you can ignore. After reviewing the list, you can export it to CSV or XML, so you can use it in your bug tracker and assign tasks to your team. Finally, you can create a report for the version you just evaluated. Your development team will be interested in a list of the defect reports, but your manager will like to focus on the key performance indicators, so you can use a customized template for him to get an overview first. By using SQUORE within your organization, you share a clear vision of the current state of your project, and you're all aware of the decisions taken to steer it back on track.